If you tuned in last week, you saw me flatten all these cherry boards using a simple sled and the thickness planer. Today I'm going to use this piece of 1/2-inch plywood to make a straight line rip jig and put a straight edge on all the boards. I'm making the jig to put a straight line rip on 8-foot boards. You can make it shorter if you like. I got started by ripping this piece of 1/2-inch plywood at 13 inches. Now I'm going to add this board at the front of the jig on a slight angle, and I'm also going to cut probably about a 25-degree angle on this piece of wood, and that should help to catch the corner of the board. Before I attach this piece, I've measured in about 4 inches. I'm going to cut a saw curve about every 1/4 of an inch, again with the idea that that will help catch the corner of the board. All right, so you can see how that's kind of going to work there. The corner of the board catches in the saw curve. So this looks like it's a good angle. I don't know what the angle is, it just works. I'll trace a line and then drill a few holes and then screw from underneath into the jig or into the board. This side of the board will be held in place with one of these sliding dovetail clamps. I'm going to put a straight edge here, draw a line, and clamp this fence in place. I've got a dovetail bit in the router. My straight edge is clamped in place. And I'm going to go to probably just about here. So I'll just put a mark on the plywood. Because this is pre-finished, it's pretty slippery, so I'll also add a piece of sandpaper right about here and one up at the front. Okay, now let's go ahead and give it a shot. This sandpaper doesn't stick very well, but it should still be okay. I'm going to go ahead and push this into this board here. You can see it kind of catches there, a little bit of an overhang. Let's come down this way. Grab the clamp. All right, well, I think this is working really good. I'll go ahead and take this board off, put a new board on. This is a pretty wide board. I'll do it all in real time without any edits, and we'll see how long it takes. All right, I'll move the camera. Try not to get a splinter. All right, well, I think this works really good. One suggestion is this piece right here might make out of 8/4, so it really locks the front of the board in. And when you pick up the sled, the board doesn't come up kind of like this. This way, with the 8/4, more of an angle, it'll really catch the front of the board. It also helps to have a good sharp blade. I've been using this Tenryu blade for about maybe 2 or 3 months now. Really nice blade. I'll have a link to it. You can also check out my tool store for all the other tools that I use, like my angle gauge. Definitely a useful jig. Hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week. If you enjoyed this video and would like to build the furniture for your home, please visit my website at johnpeters.com for a large variety of furniture projects and plans available. From beginner to advanced woodworking projects, I'm sure you'll find a project that will match your woodworking skill level and taste in furniture. Each project has step-by-step video tutorials right here on YouTube designed to help guide you through the project and help you build something I know you'll be proud of. Thanks again, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. That's a great way to help me continue to make long-format project videos just like this one.